Ngayon, alamin naman natin yung properties ng parallelograms. Number 1, theorems about parallelograms. If a quadrilateral is a parallelogram, then its opposite side are congruent. Okay. Meaning, si dito, in this figure, QR, line segment QR and line segment PS is congruent. And QP and RS also congruent. Okay. Ilista natin dito. PQ congruent to RS and SP congruent to QR. For example, PQ yan, is equal to 10 cm and RS now is also equal to 10 cm. And if QR is equal to, let's say, 7 cm and PS now is equal to 7 cm. Iyan yung sinasabi dun sa ating properties ng parallelogram na if a quadrilateral is a parallelogram, then its opposite side are congruent. Theorems about parallelogram. Second, if a quadrilateral is a parallelogram, then its opposite angles are congruent. So, andito yung mga angle niya na kung saan opposite and congruent. Si P, si P, is congruent to R. And si Q, is congruent to S. So, let's say for example, ang measure ni angle P is equal to 75 degrees. Therefore, angle R is equal to 75 degrees. And let's say the measure of angle Q is equal to 105 degrees. Therefore, the measure of angle S is equal to 105 degrees. Okay. Pangatlo, if a quadrilateral is a parallelogram, then its consecutive angles are supplementary and add up to 180. So when we say supplementary, two angles that when we add is equal to 180 degrees. So meron tayo dito na measure of angle P plus measure of angle Q is equal to 180 and measure of angle Q plus measure of angle R is equal to 180 degrees. Example dito, si angle P and angle S is consecutive, then therefore the measure of two angles when we sum up is equal to 180. Example, angle P is equal to, let's say, 75 degrees. Then, what is the measure of angle S? Then to solve, we need to subtract into 180 the measure of angle P. Yan. Then 180 minus 75 is equal now to 105. That's the value of angle S. Yan. And the other two is measure of angle R plus measure of angle S is 180 also, and measure of angle S is add to measure of angle P is equal to 180. Ayun. Next tayo. If a quadrilateral is a parallelogram, then its diagonal bisect each other. And when the diagonal bisect each other, the two diagonals divide into congruent segment. So, just like in the given figure dito, yan. QM is congruent to SM and line segment PM is congruent to line segment RM. Then now, for example, we have the value of QM, line segment QM is equal to 10. Then the value of SM, the line segment SM is also 10. And the measure of QS is equal now to 20. So same with line segment PM is equal to 11. Therefore, the RM is equal to 11. And the measure of PR is equal to 22. Yan. Ganun lang yung property ng parallelogram.